Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumertz from PCH Dent Repair, and in this short video I just want to show you how we remove a 1-inch dent using paintless dent removal. Even though this dent looks super small, looks like a simple dent that's just gonna pop out, you see how much work we really put into this repair, how many times we have to push the dent out, massage the metal, and how many times we have to tap down, reshape the metal to its original finishing. And this video is gonna look fast. It's a fast forward video. I cut a few parts out so it doesn't look too long, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thank you. I put a quarter on top of the dent so you know it's a quarter size dent and it's 1 inch. Here's the process of starting to massage the dent out, slowly pushing and reshaping the panel back to its original shape. Here's me pushing. You can see how I use my tool. This is a close-up shot. You can see every push. It's a fast forward video, so it looks really fast. We usually don't push that fast, but you can see all the texture changing. The metal is slowly getting back to its original shape. Little tap down. Little more pushing here. You see the finished product right here. All paintless dent removal. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101. And thanks for watching.